And now let's push the cover. Is this the part 2 of these lifts outside? The lift button and no other lights. Light the auto service. Let's look. You see the lift? Hi. And now the sun is in ground. Or when it's not until the slow porch lift is moving. If it is until. You need to know until. This was looking hours on this loud porch lift. And again, to just look. Let's go on the other door. What has happened to Miss Hoover? What is doing the Miss Hoover? What is until? And the NDC is doing the Miss Hoover. I'm going on this door. You're going on the other door. And now, let's try this again on his express lifts over new lifts. And now, let's move it on to the next building. For the rest of the buildings. And now, we'll go in on our building if it's cleaning way. This is until building 51 is open the door. It's cleaning building Y. Oh, I enter. Submitting. The submitting buildings are only enter. Let's go up and go film in the lift, which is an LA lift. This building is new. I believe it's very modern, very clever. This building is very modern. Let's open the doorway one. The doorway one is not for church. Don't forget the part 3.